To create a calendar, first select the pictures that you would like to use. Then click on the Calendar button at the bottom of the window. Notice that this brings up a window that contains a button with options and prices. I'll click on this, and this will bring up a web page, and if I scroll down, here I can see the prices of the calendars. I'll close this window now, and we are ready to choose a theme. Select your theme from the menu, and then click on this button. Notice that you can choose the date for your calendar to begin. You can also choose how many months. Here you can select to show national holidays in a specific country. I'll choose the United States. And also notice that you can show calendar events from iCal. For example, I have a birthday calendar in iCal, so I'll select this, and those birthdays will then show up on my calendar. Here you have a checkbox to enable birthdays from your address book as well. Once you have made your selections, click OK. Notice that a window comes up letting me know that I can manually drag photos into my calendar, or I can click on the Auto Flow button to have those photos automatically placed in the calendar. I'll click OK. And now let's begin working on our calendar. Above our pictures, we have some buttons that allows us to change the view. If I click on this, I can see the view of the calendar. If I click on this button, I can see my pictures. To place a picture on your calendar, simply click on the picture and drag it across. You can now click on the text and change the title of your calendar. To move to the next page, click on this arrow pointing to the right. Once again, click on a picture and drag it across to enter it into your calendar. Down at the bottom, there are some buttons that allow you to change the view. I'll click on this, and we can now see the picture a little clearer. To the right of this, there is a Themes button that you can click on if you would like to change the theme of your calendar again. Here there is a drop-down menu that allows you to select how many pictures you would like on the page. I'll leave this with one picture. To the right of that, there is a Design button. If you click on the Design button, you can select another design such as this. This allows me to enter some text below the picture. I'll zoom in so that you can see that. Here you can see the text. I'll zoom back out and now click on this expansion arrow. If I click on the Settings button, once again we can change our calendar options or fonts. I'll cancel that. And I'd like to point out one more button called the Auto Flow button. If I select this, iPhoto will automatically fill the calendar with the pictures that it thinks are best. So I'll click on this, and now as I scroll through my calendar, you can see that pictures were automatically placed within. Once you are finished with your calendar, click on the Buy Calendar button.